So do you prefer a paper planner or a digital planner? It provides spaces to put down or to block down your activities and tasks per hour. Today I'm going to, take you through as I plan for my next week. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel whereby we discuss things that help us in self-development and self-growth. So today I want us to discuss about planners, because I think in order to improve on productivity and also in order to have like your time well planned and set goals and being able to achieve them strategically, planner is very important. And for me, I prefer paper planners more than digital planners. So today I'll show you my two planners, my last year's planner and this year's planner. So my last year planner was this one, which was like a portable simple planner with a spiral binding. And just to show, it had monthly markings whereby all months were marked from January to December for easy accessibility or easy referral back to the months. Yeah, so that was my last year planner. And for this year planner, I ordered another one, which I was planning to get a planner without a spiral binding and a portable one, but shock on me because I didn't check on the size and the dimensions of the planner. I got a very big one. I don't know how I'll be able to carry it from one place to another. So this is the size compared to the last year's one. That's how it looks like. Yes, and I'm going to show you now. I'm going to show you the inside and the details of each planner and the structure of each, how they look and the difference between the last year's and this year's one. For my last year's planner, this is how it looked like. Yeah, it had like just the name, quick reference information. I've covered my phone number here, and then the next page is like if you want to have contacts for some people or not. And then the other page was about now each month it had like things that you need to do and all that. So this was my month of January 2021, things that I needed to do. And actually I filled these with one of the PhD challenges that was being done in Instagram. So some of the things that I put here was about the challenge. Yeah, and then that's how it was. My last year's theme word was invest, which I purposed to invest in myself, invest in my health, invest in my social life, invest in my physical health, and invest in every single aspect of my life. So that was my theme word last year. Yeah, and then after that, each day, like there was each day to-do list from Monday, Tuesday up to Sunday anyway. That's how it was. And you can see I used to do each and every day. I have a to-do list, and I used to cancel after I do whatever I've put as my to-do list. When I do it, I cancel it or I tick it. That's how I was doing last year. You'll see with this year's planner, the difference between this and the last year and this year's one is that this one had very small spaces, and it is not timed. Like there's no timing for the to-do list or for your activities that you want to do for that particular day. Yeah, so that was it for each day of the month. This is what I used to do. Just you know. And then another good thing that had is that at the end of each month there used to be a page of notes, and for me I used to put like the webinars that I've attended online and things that I want to carry forward for the next month. And it also had like a monthly budget whereby you could put down all the expenses that you did for that month and total. Yeah, and I found this page very interesting. Yes, so that's it for this planner. That's how it was each month, each week, each day. So for this year's planner is completely different from last year's one, and this is because, as I said, it's bigger than I expected, and also the internal structure is totally different, and I'll tell you why I love this one compared to last year's one. So as you just open the first page, it contains 3 years calendar, last year's calendar, this year's calendar, and next year's calendar, and all pages are written in different languages, as you can see here. And then, okay, this page, I don't think we need it. And then after that, we have a very important part that indicates, like it's like you summarize the goals of each month, what you need to achieve, or it's just like a summary of each month and what you intend to achieve. For instance, like you can write what you want to achieve in January, and it has each day in one page. It's like an overview. I feel like it's like an overview of the whole year in one page. For me, what I've written for this particular overview page, I've written the things that I know that I need to attend, like conferences that I need to attend, and the deadlines, the dates of the conference. I've blocked those dates. Like for instance, in March there's a conference which is online, which is housing conference in UK. This is the month of March. The same conference is also in April, but this one it will be in person, so I need to register, you know, send an abstract and all that. There's another conference the same time called Urban E-Planning. And then I've also put a stick-on to indicate the deadlines for submission of the abstract of those conferences. And then it's the same thing for the rest of the year. Like I've blocked down the dates that I know already that there will be activities that are concerning my research. Okay, so after the overview of the year, we have another page that provides like an overview of each year, each month as well, like expenses. You can describe expenses of each month and subtotal, brought forward, and the total, right? That's how it will be. The same. Then after that, this is a page that I particularly was sought out to buy this planner because it provides spaces to put down or to block down your activities and tasks per hour from 8 o'clock in the morning to 8 o'clock in the evening. So it has enough space to have, because for me this year I'm planning to do the time blocking strategy, whereby I provide from what time to what time I'm going to do certain activity. This is the best planner for that. Yes, so, and as I said, I've already ordered this planner, and I ordered it late, and I feel it's better late than never. So I ordered 8, and I started using from 10, as you can see here. And This page shows an overview of the month, like what do you want to achieve by the end of the month. I wrote down my two weeks goals, what I need to achieve by end of those 2 weeks. And you can see here weekly goals. Like last week I wanted to finish correction of paper 1, which is the week that is ending today. Finish reading book 1, which is a book called Getting Smarter, and also finalize on my UK research visit which I'm supposed to go by this month. That was it. And then I also have to submit tomorrow. I have to submit an abstract for ISOP conference, as I showed you before. So that's how it was. And because I ordered it late, I planned. You can see now my planning. Last week this was my planning, and as you can see, I told you this, I use it to block timing, like what do I need to do from what time to what time. And these are the activities that I had indicated like I will be doing, right? But you can see it's not everything that you put in a planner that is going to happen. Some will happen, some will not. You know, you carry them forward to the next day. So this is just a way to plan yourself, and then if you don't accomplish something within that day, you just carry it forward to the next day. So yeah, that's what I did for the last week. And today I'm going to, you know, take you through as I plan for my next week. I'm going to use red for deadlines. I'm going to use green to show some of the activities and things that I need to attend. Blue, that's for the to-do list or the tasks that I need to do, and black for any other thing. It is all about time blocking from 8 o'clock a.m. but I usually start my working at around 9 o'clock. So I'm going to time block each activity, giving it specific time, and then to feel that and to be able to, you know, plan that, I refer back to the activities that I was not able to finish last week. And then I also use my school calendar to be able to see what are the upcoming activities for my school. For instance, I've already filled that on this coming Thursday, I'll have a meeting with my supervisor, which I've already blocked it on the time that I'll have that meeting. Yeah, and as I said, I'll be using these different colors for that. So I'm going to put you on a time lapse for that because you don't need to see me filling all this thing. And then I'll see you after that. That's it guys for this video, and as I've shown you, I've been able to plan for my next week activities and tasks, and I've also set the goals that I want to achieve for the next week, which is being able to send the paper that I've already not sent, so proofreading it tomorrow morning and then being able to send it to my supervisor. And then the second objective is also to work on my third paper, which is the paper that I'm writing with a UK supervisor, so that I already know the direction that the paper is going to take and the objective of the paper. So this week will be mainly focusing on literature reviews for the third paper and coming up with an objective. And then finalizing on the UK visit, I will give a detailed video on that. and then I'm also looking for houses, I said some time back, so I'll also finalize on the house hunting. So thank you very much for your support and for your comments, and please subscribe, share, and also comment down below. So do you prefer a paper planner or a digital planner? Let me know on the comment section below. Yes. Bye bye. See you in the next one.